outside, so if I step on a foot, I apologize. If I step on somebody else's, it will be better. Now this goes for especially Piper back there. Please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. Piper. Piper. No going swimming.
Why?
Because this water is disgusting.
Well, for your safety, please remain seated, keeping hands, arms, feet, and legs inside our boat at all times, and supervise your children. Now relax and enjoy your cruise, and we'll have you at your port of call in just a few minutes. Thanks for sailing with us.
The main hill there. This one here. Oh, we see. Kara was on the side. So I know it. So she was like in the side building off that. If I remember. You guys see that nice space.
Big bird.
The bird.
Well, look at that boat. That boat is going.
I know exactly where I can see it.
Wow, it's winning! You know what, winner?
I've never do such a thing with those.
Like, rolled over and except there's so many ducks. It's like there's a lot of ducks. I'm sorry about that. And I was like, and I was like, next time, he's like, is that what you were trying to do? I was like, wow. All right, we're out. Yeah.
Hey, buddy.
Yeah, like they say.
It is? There's only one problem. There's 2 boats on this route. I haven't seen the other boat yet, and it's still docked. If I go this way, I can see it. Yeah. Other side to this dock.
So this is the old dock.
This way, you guys can sit down here.
No, they have made it temporary.
Look behind you. You see Wake?
Yeah.
No. No, there's simple fix in it. I can tie a rope around it, throw it in the back, and that'll stop.
I don't understand it.
Creating
Why do they have a I've never been in That's gonna be a Disney vacation. What are
You think that was a slow way around? That one's going to be slow.
Attention all hands. We are preparing to dock. This is a free-floating vessel, and docking ending on 8 hours. For your safety,
morning.